need to know how to locate a cable wire in your house from where it comes in at the house or in the basement or attic or wherever, and figure out which one it is with a multimeter, here is what you do. We're going to be testing continuity here and locating a cable wire outside the house that is here in the bedroom. We actually have two of them, so I need to figure out which one this is. So here's how you do it. I'll set the camera up and take a piece of tin foil, roll it up in a little ball. Nothing big, just a small one. And then in the end of the cable wire here, or if you have a plug, you need a small cable wire to do this. You want to make sure it touches both the copper wire inside as well as the outside. Stick tin foil in there like that. And on the multimeter, you want to set your multimeter up to continuity. Test it. You can hear the little beep. If you can, I'll set it a little closer. And make sure you get a reading. That tells you it's working. Now we'll go outside. I'll show you exactly how to test them. So now we're outside here at the cable box. Open this up. We got a whole bunch of wires here for every room. Now we'll start testing them one by one. And it's better if you can get markers for these off Amazon. That's the best way to do this. So you can mark each individual one so you're not doing this all the time. So anyway, once you got the tin foil up there, you want to put one of these test leads on the copper wire, the other one on the outside edge. Okay, it's not this one. Plug this one back in. It's not that one. That's the one. So we know that's the correct one. So we found it. Now we'll get it all hooked up.